The echoes of the drum beats linger in the air, carrying with them the memory of Temi's captivating performance, a testament to the power of art to transcend language and bring people together, uniting them in a shared moment of joy and celebration that will be cherished for years to come. The festival goers disperse into the starlit night, each carrying a piece of the magic they experienced with them, a shared memory that will forever bind them to the spirit of unity and cultural appreciation that Temi's hidden dance talents helped illuminate under the open sky, creating a lasting legacy of connection and understanding in a world that can often feel divided and distant. As the night draws to a close and quiet descends upon the venue, Temi stands alone for a moment, gazing out at the now empty space where moments before there had been laughter, dance, and the palpable energy of shared human experience. It's a reflective pause, acknowledging the ephemeral nature of performances, but also the everlasting effect they can have on the hearts and minds of those who witness them, a silent vow to continue fostering connections through the universal language of art.